properties of natural logarithms, base E, and simplifying examples. This slide focuses on the properties of logarithms, and we're focusing on the natural logs. They're very similar to the ones we've already talked about with base A, any base. So the natural log of 1 equals 0. Why? Remember, this is really log base E of 1 equals 0. If you rewrite this in exponential form, it's E raised to the 0. Anything raised to the 0 is 1. The second one, this is log base E of E equals 1. If I rewrite this to exponential form, it's E raised to 1 equals E. Well, you get an answer of 1. And the next two properties probably look familiar to you. They're inverse functions. These are inverses of each other, so you're left with just the x. These are inverses of each other, left with just the x. The last one is the one-to-one property. If my natural logs equal each other, they're the same base, that means then my x and y equal each other. There's your one-to-one property. So on the next slide here, we want to simplify using those properties. ln of e equals x. Well, that's that second property, x equals then 1. Natural log of 1 equals what? That's the first property, x equals 0. Here's the third property, inverses of each other. It's the inverse property, so we're just left with x equaling 3. Example D. This is a one-to-one property. So you set the two pieces equal to each other when you solve for x. So we subtract 3 from both sides, and we get 11.